This kid simply got salt, pepper, and garlic and thrown on the grill, flipped over and over again until the internal temperature was 135. I should mention a couple of things. First of all, this was a gas grill with the heat on high the entire time. Also, this was a weekend that I was smoking a brisket with my brother. That video will be coming soon. This was just something to nibble on while we were waiting for the brisket, which wound up taking 22 hours. That video will be coming soon. Subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell. That way you know when new videos come out. You'll be able to see that brisket video first. For now, just enjoy this beautiful Wagyu steak cooking on the grill. At night, it's probably about midnight or so. It just looks
Look at that
so
glow.
Cool. Oh, that looks so awesome. All right, but it's time to flip this kid. Oh, look at that sizzle. Money shot.
That's what you said too.
See, now I don't have to look for hot. And as you can see, each time I flip it, we're getting more and more sizzle. The steak is cooking beautifully. Continue to flip. Don't let it sit on one side for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Just keep flipping it every minute or so. Beautiful crust, deliciously medium rare inside. And now it's gonna be time to eat this kid.
Fucking gorgeous crust.
As we're smoking the brisket, we cooked up some Wagyu Deckle from Grand Western Steaks. Look at that. Beautiful. The grill, look at it. Oh, that's perfect. Oh my God. So good. What do you think of the Wagyu?
Beautiful crust.
Nice crust on it, right?
Delicious.
That comes from continuous flipping.
Fantastic.
You don't just let it sit on one side for too long. You just keep flipping back and forth.
That is beautiful. Beautiful.
You can see, gorgeous, medium rare. This beautiful slicer, from Dalstrong. Look at, perfect.
Gorgeous.